Changing the blade to an exact pipe saw. Use the 5mm hex key installed to the handle. Open the blade guard. Remove the blade guard. Lock the gearing mechanism by pushing the knob on the metal body. Open the attachment screw and its washer. Remove the pulling flange washer. Remove the attachment flange. Remove the old blade. Install the new blade. Install the attachment flange. Install the pulling flange washer in the correct position. Install the attachment screw and its washer. Lock the gearing mechanism and tighten the attachment nut. Attach the blade guard. Put first the front end on its place, and then secure it with the screw. Reasonable tightening is enough. Return the 5mm hex key to the handle.